Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Blink Sync module is showing offline inside your Blink application, your cameras may stop recording or syncing properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to fix the Blink Sync module that keeps going offline in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by looking at the lights on the front of your Blink Sync camera module. So as you can see currently it is showing me this type of red light. It simply means that your module is completely off and the module may have lost the power or the Wi-Fi connection. But instead of this red light, if you are seeing a blue light or a solid blinking green light over here, it usually means that the module is connected properly. So you need to simply unplug the Blink Sync module from the power, and then you just have to wait for at least 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you just have to plug it back in. Afterwards, you just have to restart your Wi-Fi router as well. The temporary network interruptions are one of the most common causes of the offline sync modules. Then you just have to wait for a few more minutes for both of the devices to reconnect completely. Now, if the sync module still goes offline, you can also move it closer to the router or away from the thick walls or any kind of electronic interference. Now, you can also open the Blink Home Monitor application on your phone. Now, if it does, you can also remove the module from the app and then you can add it again using the QR code that it generates and the QR code that will be on the back of the device. So during the setup, you can connect it to the Wi-Fi network and then enter the password carefully. After reconnecting, simply test the cameras to make sure that everything is syncing and working normally again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.